Bro, I just built a website in 60 seconds, and I can't even code Ka.
I tried learning coding, but after 5 minutes, I gave up. So I used AI, ChatGPT, and Lovable, and everything changed.
First, go to ChatGPT and paste these prompts. If you want to see exactly what prompt I used, check the video description. And if you want me to make a video teaching how to write this prompt, comment below. I can cover it in a separate video because 60 seconds just isn't enough. Open Lovable website and sign up with your Google account. It's very easy. Paste the prompt here that you copied from ChatGPT and just wait. Wait, that's it? Bro, my noodles take longer than this. And the crazy part is, this is a real website. You can use this to start a business, sell websites to clients, or even build your own brand. If you want more AI hacks like this, subscribe my channel.